my name is Hunter Balent, and I've been here for about a year and a couple months. I actually started out as an intern here, and it's been a fun ride. I mean, I started out as a regular sales rep, and got to team lead, and we actually won team of the month for 3-4 months in a row. So it's been a good ride, and now I kind of work growth accounts and just kind of growing. And the best thing I like about Seamless is just basically the hard working that's all around you, and basically the cool people you work with. I see a lot of excitement and just proactiveness. Everybody's always willing to do whatever it takes and just kind of work their tail off every day, day in and day out, and that's the most important part about a company. And if you're interested in a role at Seamless, add me on LinkedIn, reach out to me, let me know, whatever, I can answer any questions and apply to that.
We are hiring here at Seamless.AI. That is right. We have over 850 positions open right now, hundreds of SDRs, hundreds of AEs, 50 engineers across every department in the company. We're hiring nearly 850 positions this year. So if you want to work for Seamless.AI, help the world connect opportunity, apply at Seamless.AI/careers, Seamless.AI/careers, Seamless.AI/careers.